My name is Yusra Jadun from class 10th, a proud student of SPSC, which stands for Shama Public School and College. Today, I will speak about why we should respect parents and teachers. I stand before you today to talk about something that is fundamental to our growth as individuals, as members of society. The importance of respecting our parents and teachers. Respect is not just a matter of politeness, but is a key value that shapes the way we live, learn, and grow. Let me share with you why respecting parents and teachers is not only important, but essential. Respecting parents. First, let's talk about parents. Our parents are the foundation of our life. They are the ones who bring us into this world and nurture us from very beginning. In Islam, the importance of respecting and honoring parents is emphasized repeatedly. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Luqman, ayat number 14, and we have enjoined upon man care for his parent. His mother carried him hardship upon hardship, and his meaning is in 2 years. Be grateful to me and to your parents. To me is the final destination. This verse highlights that how much we owe to our parents and how crucial it is to show them respect and gratitude for their sacrifice. Parents are often the unsung hero in our life. They sacrifice their time, their energy, and sometimes their dreams so we can achieve our. Respecting them is not just saying thank you, no, but also appreciating their constant love, their support, hardship they endure for all. Always remember, no matter how busy we get in our life, we always make time for our parents, showing them love, respect, and care. Let me share a few lines of poetry in Urdu dedicating to parents. धूप में चलते हैं साया देने को, खुद जल जाते हैं चिराग बन के रोशनी देने को. माँ बाप की मोहब्बत दुनिया की सबसे अनमोल चीज, यही चिराग है जो जलते हैं हमें जीने को. Which means they walk in the sun to give us shade, burn like a lamp to light our way. Parents' love is the most priceless gift. They are the light who guides us each day. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's turn to teachers. Our SPSC teachers are not the people who impart knowledge, but are the guiders who shape our future. The famous philosopher and poet Allama Iqbal, who inspired the generation with his poetry, once said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." In a sense, teachers lose themselves in the service of their students. They give their time, their energy to make sure that we are successful, and their work often goes unrecognized. The connection between parents and teachers. There is no doubt that parents and teachers share a common purpose. They both want to see us succeed and be the best version of ourselves. When parents and teachers work together in partnership, they provide us with the strongest foundation for success in life. So, let us not to forget to thank him, not only with words, but also through our actions by excellence in our studies and behavior. Poetic tribute to parents and teachers. माओं की दुआएं और उस्ताज़ा का प्यार, यही तो देता है हमें सच का एतमाद. इन्हीं की मेहनत से है हम में रोशनी, यही हकीकत है, यही हमारी बुनियाद. Which means mother prayer and teacher love always gives us confidence truth. It is through hard work that we shine. This is truth. This is our foundation. In conclusion, respecting our parents and teachers is not act of goodness, but an act of gratitude, love, confidence. से है हम में रोशनी, यही हकीकत है, यही हमारी बुनियाद. Which means mother prayer and teacher love always gives us confidence truth. It is through hard work that we shine. This is truth. This is our foundation. In conclusion, respecting our parents and teachers is not act of goodness, but an act of gratitude, love, and recognition of their invaluable contribution in our life. Parents are the first teacher we have, and teachers are the one who guide us throughout the education. इकबाल ने भी क्या खूब कहा है, ज़ाती मफादात और खुदगर्जी से बुलंद हो जाओ, मादी दुनिया से रूहानी दुनिया की तरफ गामज़न हो जाओ. In English, rise above sectional interest and private ambitions, pass from matter to spirit. We must rise above our individual need and recognize the importance of those who help us to grow, our parents and our SPSC teachers. May we always remember to honor and respect them, not only with words but also through our actions. Thank you.